and welcome. You're watching donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rombai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. HYC raises concern over unlicensed medicine vendors in West Khasi Hills. Chaos ensues as CUET examinees face delayed exams at NEHU. BSF foils sugar and cattle smuggling attempts, apprehends 3 Indian nationals in Meghalaya. And APA-CEB files complaint against contractor for poor construction in William Nagar Indoor Stadium. And now the news in detail. The HRA Youth Council, HYC, led by President Dister Borlin Wanyang and General Secretary Shan Borlin Siemle, along with District President Lumlankhar Siemle, met with the District Medical Officer, DMNHO of West Khasi Hills District on May 15th. The purpose of the meeting was to address the presence of non-local vendors selling medicines without proper licenses in border villages such as Tenghor, Langja and Langpi. The HYC expressed concern over the potential dangers posed by unregulated medicine sales, warning of the risk of these areas becoming hubs for drug dealing. Additionally, they highlighted the sale of unlicensed food products which could lead to health hazards for consumers. Urging the DMNHO to take strict action, the HYC emphasized the importance of ensuring the safety and well-being of the local populace in West Khasi Hills District.
Jing sang imut ban phada ka jing tho sha I food inspector ban drugs inspector alor ka jing jelai gine ki nong di dawai ba anya ki weki jela le hadit mangilayu ya keren sunon ban DMSO ngilayu ban pha ka jing tho ban terpat ru na I ba de ban wan jurip sakiti jidong githan ki jong ka rimuliang alor ka jing kenrei jong gine ki bar jela ki nong di dawai hadu kala pen tharai snew yang I ba wat gine ki jing lai lam jong ki drugs bat ki weki Kimar jingdi bapin bu aj kala ban yai jing ba kini ki bar jela bar hadin ga jing budin jungi kala don kini kita yau wa la dep kala don ga jing yokem kini ki nong ki drugs hakati ka dong la thai te kun tang la phas don ka jing thwa sha kani ka tanat ka bakpei ta ka kot ki ya bar ka we ga jing thwa ka bangi pha ba force inspector ka long ba kala jing jelai pelat yung kini hi di bendri di banabar hakiyau bordar stay banwandi di jimbam masukre madan lakum ki jimbam merat mereng habaki di sibri kane ka wanra ya ka jingbom itnat hawangi Peit ya ka ne ka jinglom jimbam ya kuntana ka yang demi terpat jure kane ka tanat ka Peit ya ning ba ka bam ka sa nang ba kan wanra ka jing di ginom sunong habaya de ka jing ta ya ka ko ya ya kuntana ka liang ka jongi di terpat jure ba kidi ban sim kham kloi ban le ya gane ka benta na ka liang jum madam BSF ro kila Khubor mat kila kula hani ba limba ka jing ya trelang jungi ba jong kane ka department ba tim sawang ban jurip se ka do thang ban man pe ya gane ka jing tepat ni sen ya kan kita ki tintin di bangi layo ban ya keren agane ka por bentang ya ai play dan di MSO limba ka jing ya trelang ba ka jing kloi jum I ban priang ya gane si ban kular hani ban
On May 15th, students appearing for the Central University Entrance Test CUET at NEHU encountered a chaotic ordeal when the scheduled 3 p.m. exam failed to commence on time. Organizers reported that students were left wandering, struggling to locate their designated seats. The delay affected thousands of students, pushing the exam start time from 3 p.m. to a delayed 7:30 p.m. With reporting time set at 1 p.m., the unforeseen delay disrupted the exam schedule, leaving many students frustrated and anxious. This incident has raised concerns among students, viewing the CUET examination as a potential barrier to post-class 12 studies.
กี่คนจังพี่กี่ตัว exam อะไรไปเจ๊ก้อง
Oi ke balai.
Makin pat thok mau duk mentah.
Ya. Thor kin ki ong. मेरे को मजा ही मजा आ रहा है
Khubor. Masuk dari
Jan iya ban ong pastor. Halor kene ke kam.
Ane ngat ngan ong kumno ngam so tenat ya kan ka CET kan ada ka government kala ban le ta kumwei pada jede begini. Namar mentang i ka ni ka jing be kan ka CETM dalong sya ka well organized kan. I kena ki system something app ha kan ka kum be kum gani. Pe menu slap ku bekat tu. Mentang kila rung. Hadu mentang wat ka question paper mat tam pendiam. Di Peit mentah kita syong pada otak lano kita serta kat kini kita sak mentah mentah. Coba bon roki student kimio aban le CET bon ki bom tip. Temen syang yo sngo kan ka drop out student school. Mentah sami ki drop out student ki college. Na bom yo aban tha. Ya ka government at least kala dem kat ha kini sya.
Menang so ni pastor pidlam ong bala sya yu sya
ngam tip ya katamu nga kuni I andra ka we kalong ba ka comment ka deban tape hay kini dalor kataru imat na kalyang kanika education department yo ka government ki klam tape ha ka CET minta dang penyele kat bagai result kala depan mi insya dang don ka CET kim pat deban mi ya ka result di minta ki result ka mi kena kelawat admission kim yo admission ini ka de problem ko kra ba na minta ki kena
lu pi kan ke jingjam ne tu pastor tarai.
Dengan film UI itu jingkia, mereka ikut mengi UI kalau ke jingjur slap ni perbuatan. Dia kena kalau penwit cibun, bun kita nak buat exam ni kalau cilot. Temen tak kita larung tai, pat dijan kena apa beci.
Bom hadu mentar kin pat thok.
Adu mentak pat yo bentok pengen dang up parents ni. Dia kena kalau buat jing shisha. Dia ke government kalau dia kat bahaya kena ke CET. La dia ban penek ni ban penduk ikan ni. Dia ban pay bahaya ni. Lom kum takkan buat jing nak tak kalau wei jing. Kena.
Boleh sih pastor.
Tu ke bakalan rudan te belak kita Khuborjylla.
Odon ma.
Dan Jadi saya kata yang lupa ni kamsuk kinong kasa jangai.
Bisa sana.
Ngate sahajan mo priya.
Kong dah vi don iya ban ong.
In a proactive operation on May 14, 2024, the Border Security Force BSF stationed in Meghalaya thwarted attempts to smuggle sugar and cattle across the international border. The vigilant troops of 172 Battalion BSF intercepted a vehicle loaded with 13,000 kilo of sugar near Kuliang bordering area in East Jaintia Hills. The driver and co-driver, unable to produce valid documents, were identified as Rahim Muddin and Tazimul Hussain from Assam. In a separate incident, BSF troops at MCP Sunapur intercepted 2 vehicles smuggling 6 cattle, leading to the apprehension of one driver while the other fled. The seized contraband and apprehended individuals were handed over to Umkyang Police Post for further legal proceedings. The Achik Progressive Approach APA-CEB organization from East Garo Hills lodged a complaint against a contractor regarding substandard construction at the Khelo India Indoor Stadium Gallery in William Nagar on Tuesday. The APA-CEB highlighted significant flaws in the construction, alleging manipulation and improper execution of the project. They pointed out the absence of a stone masonry wall, which was a part of the initial plan but was omitted and inadequately implemented. Seeking immediate action, the organization called for a thorough inquiry into the matter and advocated for the blacklisting of the contractor responsible for the shoddy work.
Ya daun kengapa biap aro bostu baro ong chipsangde William Nagaro East Garo Hills headquarter na chamat kapa Khelo India na rikchak kengapa indoor stadium gallery kengapa cham yakon saksa contractor Turani Rajesh Jetia ngapa manacham chinga da alor ibai niyo ara rongrangni obostha rongrangni maiba quality ar namja chinga rongprak prak chekai niora yara butani khor abak pane agana deba barpeta o krashani khor abak pane agana wan chirengoni ko rong chonchon kapa komang aro chips komang krasharo chikam kapong acham ba crash kagabong acham deba yarande bangbatan ronggamak kamaksa chirengoni sa aro chirangoni sa uni gaman yan nibot awan king kapa video yan ki ronggamak kamak wan chirango joking kapa ni rong sacham uni gaman ya daldal kapa construction na jakaleng kapa chips ancheng cement ba road rangkode chingni mekanik tade ba engineer ni check agaman onanangen aro yakho check ainiyo okay tester onanangen ongjangori ya department ba nirokaniyo sandiwaniyo bisongba name rake nirok pa onanangen talo chinga ya neke ha chingni apa dolrang apa organization ni si biniktar ebanion road pa gacham gtanka और यह चिप्स आने गमक का रोंग गमक सा वन सीमेंट चिकना गिजाक बा चिप्स रसा उन्हीं के मन या कोचिंग रखें जिगला डिपार्टमेंट बा रेबाई नीना नंगा दालो साइट इंजीनियर दोंगिजा काम खाएंगा निगा या नासोल मेन गबाचम फाउंडेशन को चोएंगा उन्हीं के मन चिंगा या कोदे एक्सेप्ट करना मंजाओ बा राचक ना मंजावा उन्हीं के मन चिंगा टेक्निकली चिंगा एक्सपर्ट होंजमा बा या कोदे राचक ना मंजावा उन्हीं के मन इंजीनियर को रेबाई चेक अच्छी नीचे नकता चिंगा दीदिनस का डिपार्टमेंट कॉन्सर्न को चिका शिलोंग नि स्टेट स्पोर्ट्स काउंसिल नि डिपार्टमेंट नि मंदिरां को इंजीनियरां को चिंगा निकनास का या बियापो आदामो जिता को या कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट नामगप्पा बाइक हमगप्पा जातना कमजन ओंगेन उनी गमन दालो चिंगा यानी बिदंगो या को वाता चिंगा जिता को पब्लिक बा विचिना जेको कंपनी काम खाएंगा जेको कॉन्ट्रैक्टर काम खाएंगा याना अंचिंगनी नॉलेज बा सोकचिना आरो अंचिंगनी उयानी बा सोकचिना उनी गमन यानी अथॉरिटी चिंगनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट नि.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.